Hello everybody, welcome back. And it is still Wednesday, the 5th of March, and this is the third video film this morning, but we are seeing quite a lot of demolition, big changes, things coming down. And my assistant cameraman has just walked all the way down to the other side of the site to see if we can find a better view, and he just tells me that other view is not better. He's pointing the other side, says maybe this side will be better. It wasn't better last time we went, but it's changed. Desmond's pulled that bit down, so maybe now if we go right around the corner, because where I started the first video on the other side of Chapel Street, we couldn't see much of anything because the windows are in the way, but now the windows are gone. So I'm going to jog now. Are you ready? I'm going to jog, 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 jog. Look at me, I can jog. I'm old, but I can still jog. And I can jog and film and commentate without getting out of breath. I am not awesome. So let's go around here. This is my usual spot on this thing here. Let's go here, I think. Oh, what? We might have found a better spot now, guys, for this video. Oh yeah, look at this. Right, are you ready? Let's zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, what about that, guys? Although I've got nothing to balance my camera on, so I've got to hold it steady. It appears Desmond has stopped. Come on, Desmond, son, wake up. Oh, he's there. So we can zoom into the right a bit here. Oh. A little bit of dramatic close-up. Let's go out again. Yes, for this bit, we've got this bit that's going to come down soon. So we've seen all that corner side, the top floor anywho, come down while we've been here today over 3 videos. So I think that's a good view for this one. We couldn't use that view in the beginning because the windows were in the way, but now we're kind of good to go, aren't we? I'm going to go out a little bit actually. I do like the close-ups, but I do like the fuller pan. Tell you what, it's weird. I'm leaning on the lamppost on the... I nearly said... I'm leaning on the lamppost on the corner of the bridge, whatever, and it's wobbly, it's vibrating. I don't know if that's due to the machines or just the traffic, but there's no real traffic, so I'd say it's probably machines. But it's, I can feel it against my arm, and it's like a thuddy vibration. I'm going to have to stop leaning on it. It's really, really, really vibrating and thudding. But I think this angle is just perfect. We can just keep around there and see little Skylar working away in the distance, doing his job. He's crunching and sorting all that rebar. He's making a great job of that. But back to Desmond, the star of the show. Zoom in a bit. Go on Desmond, big bite. You're getting some great demolition today, and there are people down below watching and filming. I wish I could stick around all morning, guys. But in about 10 minutes, 5 minutes less, I'm going to have to go. Because I'm going to work a bit earlier today, and I'm going to be at work a bit longer. I need to have a proper dinner before I go to work, and I've got some lamb quarter pounders. There you go. Oh, that was cool. I didn't expect that to happen. Got some lamb quarter pounders to have, so I'm going to eat a proper dinner and go to work. But tomorrow is my day off again, because I have 2 days off a week. I'm off on Tuesday and I'm off on Thursday. And whilst I do have quite a bit to do tomorrow, I will stick around here for a bit longer. Even though I can't stay here for long today, we have seen quite a lot come down, haven't we? I mean, after I go home, of course, it's going to be mostly dinner time, and I'll miss the whole afternoon. So I'd imagine when I come down here tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, there's going to be a lot of big changes. I would think all that side near those steps will be down by tomorrow. But even though I'm going to miss it, somebody else will film it, guys, so you very probably won't miss it. And Skylar's still working hard. Desmond's turning around there. He's dumping that giant piece of concrete over. Look at that, that's gigantic. There he goes. He's like, Skylar, look, I've got a present for you. Get your laughing gear around this. You'll enjoy that one. Give it a little chomp. There you go, well done Desmond. Oh, there you go, Skylar's grabbed that now. He's like, I can handle that, and he's going to chomp that into nothing. Go on Desmond, get in there. I think it's just scraping stuff along the edge. Sure. Let's go out this anyway. we scroll all the way back, and fairly far back, not super duper far back, but here we go. I definitely think this is my best day yet for actually capturing Demolition. What do you think, guys? Right, okay guys, as much as I'm enjoying filming today and watching this, it's been great fun. I very unfortunately do have to finish this video here and go home, because otherwise I'm not going to have time to eat before I go to work. But I will be back tomorrow, so for now I am going to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you all soon in the next one. Goodbye. Blackpool buzzes, machine screen. Rebellions here, rock is still. 1970s beats.